We Talk Football SA at Mamelodi Sundowns headquarters in Clorkop to mourn the passing of Jaden Adams, to celebrate the life of Jaden Adams. Daga Wadisoso, we lost a legend in the making. What can you say, Ba?
Mangthanda ukubonga ngoba it's the first time on this channel.
Yeah, Baba.
But you must be a multilingual ngoba bangazi ukuthi ngikhuluma kakhulu, ngikhuluma wonke amalimi. So ngizozama ngizokhuluma isiZulu sase township. Hayi sase KZN.
Yes.
Hayi ngizokhuluma sase township ngisho.
Ushaya sona.
Angithi ngiyahlanganisa mina.
Ushaya nesi-French.
Zonke zonke izinto that's why ngithi ngizame ukukhombisa ukuthi hayi mina angikulo bathi hey mahambe ngila.
Yeah.
Ngikhuluma zonke izinto. No, Baba, ngiyabonga kakhulu on your channel. Thanks for coming to Clorkop ukuthi ube nathi la with the sad news esithole last week. Usually ungazi ngama source, but angina energy le anginayo, angifuni ukukhuluma ngakho. Angifuni ukukhuluma, I don't know ukuthi mhlambe when times goes on izaba khona. As I said ukuthi ngine 25 years ngakhathi inwele.
Yeah.
Ngibengikhuluma ngayo ngithi I'm going to honor Jaden Adams Grootman ukuthi ngikhathi inwele zami. Angazi ukuthi ngobeka kanjani mayokhathi inwele. But I think I'll start it nge funeral yakhe Stellenbosch to cut my hair.
Yeah.
To pay respect. Also on the 1st of August I'll do the same thing.
Yes.
To honor Jaden. You know, Jaden was was an angel. Before he left this world, was an angel. You can see, I never had any scandal about this boy.
Nothing.
I never had anyone when you say Jaden say, then you say to Jaden. I never had anything like that. To see hore most rata hore ngwana a gotseng le a grandmother.
Yes.
Le ntate mogolo re koko.
Yes.
The way they brought him up is different
to the rest.
Yeah, because una le respect. And if ba mo teacher to fear,
yes,
don't do this, you must have a fear.
Yeah.
Because the consequences you'll get it.
Yes.
As a football supporter and as a Jaden was a football player from national team and also at club level, Mamelodi Sundowns, Clorkop. I will call him as our Iniesta, and I'll call him on another my nickname. I'll say Submarine because I can dala anywhere as a coach. Because Submarine will be in the water, and out of the water. So he can hit you inside the ocean. Even outside the ocean, he can hit you.
Yes.
Like he broke the heart of all South Africans. Yes. Because if he was not like that, they would never gather. Because we gathered here with different people from different clubs.
Yeah,
supporters.
All the clubs were here.
Yeah, like you see how these people, they are crying with us.
Yes.
I just want to thank you guys for the things you did today to us as supporters of Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yes.
I just want to say, Grootman, I don't have much weight. May your soul rest in peace. Adam's family, De La Source, I'll be there, go Stellenbosch.
Yes.
I know it's a long trip, but I'll try to be there. Yes. I'll force myself to be there.
Yes.
Also, I'd like to thank my club, Mamelodi Sundowns, and also Dr. Patrice and the chairman, Hlupi.
Yes.
Also, Mzepes Foundation, also the management, staff, coach, players, the role they play on this, the process, Grootman.
Yeah. What blew me away when you are talking about Mamelodi Sundowns is that they managed to take the memorial service away from Gauteng to accommodate his family. They didn't have to travel. So they must be very good-hearted to have thought about that.
As you say, sometimes I think they sit down,
Yeah.
they check.
Yes.
Or you must understand, Sundowns, they were having a problem. They were supposed to travel last week to go to Austria
Yes. For a pre-season.
for pre-season.
Yes.
So they check, or if they go there, they make memorial service
Yeah.
in Western Cape,
Yes.
in Stellenbosch.
Yes.
After then, they will take the private jet direct to Austria,
Yes.
in Europe.
Yes.
So it was good because we cannot cry why they didn't do it
Yeah.
at this site,
Yes.
because of the schedule is tight.
Yes.
You do memorial service there, you do memorial service here. We are thinking about pre-season. The league is opening in 2 weeks from now.
Yeah.
So sometimes we need to accept some of the things.
Yes.
We must not say be greedy. Why must I rela this? Why must I rela this?
Yeah.
Let's focus to the new life.
Yeah.
And I'm happy because of my boys. They went for pre-season.
Yes.
So we'll remain us. If they'll come next week also, maybe it will be bonus because maybe maybe they arrived today, because maybe it's like they traveled yesterday, if I'm not wrong.
Yes.
So they'll have almost 7 to 6 days, because they can travel from Thursday from Austria to coming back on Friday on the 24th, and Saturday, and then we celebrate the last. We pay the tribute and the last respect for Jaden. I'll say like that. Yeah.
So now, filling up the void, because there is a big hole that Mamelodi Sundowns need to fill on the pitch now.
You know, any player when they sign to Mamelodi Sundowns is a special player.
True that.
I'm not going to compare.
He should play exactly like him.
No, we cannot compare.
Yes.
It's only Jaden who remains as Jaden.
Yes. So whoever plays there must be given a chance.
You know,
Must be supported.
you know, the scouting of Mamelodi Sundowns, when they give them the task, go and look for the person who's going to replace that space.
Yes. Yeah.
It's not one scout. There are a lot.
It's a team.
There are a lot.
Yeah.
So the coach will give the task. I want the player who's going to play like this. Because if you remember, there were a rumor there's a player from Portugal, from Sporting.
Yes.
The one is going to play in that position.
Yeah. Yeah.
So already, like the way I see,
Yeah.
the replacement is there.
Yes.
But we cannot say he's going to play the way.
Yes.
It's only a player who's going to play his style,
Yeah.
not to compare. Because when you do comparison, we're going to have a problem.
Yeah.
As long it can close the middle field the way we want,
Yeah.
then as long we win, Aluta continua.
Yeah.
We need to give the support. And one thing I just want to say is true. We need to stop harassing our players,
Yes.
booing our players.
Calling them names.
You know, Remos Kolong, in a sense of, I made a mistake in the sauce.
Yeah.
Maybe in a wrong way about the coach, a wrong way. Someone will, man, don't do this.
Yeah.
Let now sit down, because I was doing this because of with the anger,
Yeah.
the way the team is doing.
Yes.
Why Abakaira so?
Yes.
It's like how never know. We've got a player who's leaving the team, is a legend.
Yeah.
It's Peter Shalulile.
Yes.
He called the mother to come and help him. He don't want to leave Sundowns.
Yes.
So they must speak with the president,
Yeah.
Shupi.
Yes.
So it was not easy.
Just not
And
easy.
he knows, or I'm not going to play in South Africa, because if I'll play in South Africa, I'll play against Mamelodi Sundowns
Yeah.
one day.
Yes.
And if I'll score, I'm going to celebrate how.
How?
So
After breaking all the records.
So I heard there's an offer in Zimbabwe, in Scotland.
Yes.
One of the richest team in Zimbabwe at the present moment.
Yes.
I think one of the shareholder, this billionaire, they call him Chivaro.
Yeah.
You know, there's a guy there. There's a big guy.
Rich guy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I remember even when they bought that team, they buy the bus, and then they buy, I think 21 or 22 a Toyota. I forgot the name of the Toyota, but it was a Toyota for the players.
For the players.
So
Something else.
you see now, and it's going to be a first team since they bought him to go and play Champions League.
Yes.
So now I think they want him because he's going to play with Muson and Kamapilian.
Yeah.
So Sundowns, they have to talk with also Peter Shalulile because of he was not a player, was a family.
Yeah. It was more than a team to him.
So le kana laba le probleme ka Shalulile.
Yeah.
If Sundowns they don't think twice.
Yes.
Either they will say, my friend, go and play 2 seasons or 3 seasons. You come back, you work as a legend,
of Mamelodi Sundowns,
as a striking coach.
Yes.
They can give him a class to be a striking coach.
Yeah.
So it can be under 23 of Mamelodi side on a disc.
Like most legends, there are many legends at Mamelodi
For
Sundowns
sure,
working
but
there.
I don't want to lose him because it's a legend for Mamelodi Sundowns. Because we cannot say it's okay, but if tomorrow we get a sad news, we say
we didn't expect it.
We're supposed to, because sometimes we need
acting time.
We must not give the pleasure to coach because of a player like this.
Yeah.
But if you can check, and I used to tell people, if you can check Shalulile, if we career finaling a pyramid, for the first time after 2016, because this final, it was a third final.
Yes.
Do you know where Zalali Timi go DRC barke Manyema? Manyema is from east of Congo, but because of the war M23 from that side, they have to give me by Seko Kinshasa. If you remember very well, Shalulile Otseneka 80 something minutes.
Yes.
And already Timian is their leader.
Yes.
And then we're out on a group stage.
Yes.
The Saturday side quarter final.
Shasha came in.
He came. He put some sauce. Kenya the sauce. 1 goal, 1-1. And then almost 90 plus.
Yes.
And then he make another
sauce.
And then they become an own goal. Like he make another defender a mistake because he want to score. A defender end up an own goal. So I would say because if Asamutsenya we're out. That's a final pyramid, to be honest. So let's say somebody level for racing as a team.
It's a team.
Emotions. It's not good. Because of tomorrow we can have a bad news. But look at Shalulile, what happened. And if you remember, I think it was Monday or Tuesday, Lunga, I'm sure Pomo Hillbro. They shoot about I think 36 or 35,000 cash. With his friends. You remember the story?
I remember the story.
So we're supposed to have a 2 funeral if he was a short. And then I know people they will talk about Akiri sacrifice the Champions League. I know people they talk.
But
I know. Even now,
it's like people have no sense. They joke about death.
Even now. They would say, this one is a part of the sacrifice. And
because Mutomuza also needs to rub an alishale. Also needs to achieve the logo life.
If we win Champions League for the third star, because I know we are going for the third star. That one is not a joke.
Yes.
Because we are done with North Africans. North Africans Bakasiri TV. Bakasiri TV. Raba dominated by it. Because West Africa, there's no teams in West Africa. Unless it was a team like West Africa, we'll talk about Inyembe from Nigeria. Yabo Sante Kotoko Bale. Yabo Kotono Sport from Cameroon. So gets on answers against maybe we are the challenge. But no more. So get on answering problem. But North Africa, we are done with North Africa. So that's why people they will talk, but Aluta Kontunua, we know Sundowns is not a team, it's something else. It's not an institution. It's something
it's bigger than an institution.
You can talk whatever you want. It's like you open another institution. The honors says one, the master says one, the degree says one. So it's actually specific for Mamelodi Sundowns. On that institution we are talking about. So we'll talk, but we cannot finish. Jaden was a superstar. He was a handsome
handsome young guy.
My
He
man.
cut his hair.
As I say,
blonde and-
as I say, I'll cut my hair.
Yeah.
I'll have a cheese scope.
So, lastly, my brother,
Yeah,
his family
yeah,
will not be able to replace him. He said, Mamelodi Sundowns, it's at work.
yeah.
With time, we'll heal. We
Mm.
won't forget, but with time, we'll heal. But his family will not be able to replace him. What can you say to them?
You know, Jaden, only his brother, only 17 years, as Alango Stellenbosch, is not a replacement, but will be a
Yes.
part of comfort.
Yeah.
Because we still have a player in the family.
Yes, yes,
Because if maybe they didn't have another player,
yeah,
it's only Jaden.
yeah,
I think another comfort on the family because we cannot say they'll be comfortable. But like
they won't heal completely,
yeah,
but there's something to fall back on.
for sure.
Yes,
As the brother, because Kim Chegile they look Jaden.
yes,
And then also if he play good, Ogamakala Sundowns they repay the family again
yes,
to buy his brother
yeah,
to bring it because he's playing the same position.
yes,
I think he plays same position on the middle
yeah,
with the late brother.
yes,
So Sundowns back end up about okay, let's wipe the tears again
yeah,
to the family to bring Mutlorko Pebe Patia the memory of Jaden.
yes.
You
He's
know-
also a child. He's also got a
Yeah,
child.
yeah. Also,
Yeah.
no, but we know Sundowns they take care about the loss of the players.
Yes,
I know the foundation is there
yes.
to give the child
Support.
the support through the
I
fiance.
didn't know that. I didn't know that.
No, Sundowns got everything. As
Yeah.
you say, is an institution. That's why sometimes we don't like to talk too much about Sundowns. People don't talk about Sundowns. Not
Yeah.
Reina.
Yeah.
Now we're just talking the way Sundowns.
Yeah.
Like on Alberto, they know Sundowns, so they accommodate and then it talkomela jwang di player tsa bona, di family tsa bona.
They have Ubuntu at Sundowns.
That's why you see the sponsor of Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah.
The way it's written.
Yes.
You know it's
Ubuntu,
written.
Ubuntu. And to say that, some people don't like when I say it, but I met the chairman once, 2024 on March 9. I will never forget that day.
Yeah.
But it was like we've met for a long time.
Sure.
So Sundowns is a home. He calls me, hey, Nigani, my brother. So you are a team. You are a great team. Mamelodi Sundowns is a great team. So his family should be proud that Jaden played for an institution like Mamelodi Sundowns, and they gave South Africa a gem of a midfielder.
You know there's a love in the Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah, too much love.
Are violent if you can Retsiana got to be violent.
Yes.
But are violent.
Yeah.
Ke culture rena because of you cannot say ba o bitsa shusha and piano bafana ba style de la sauce.
Yeah.
Wa utlwa mabitso a hana
Angata.
no mabitso a hana bo aggressive ka mogare shusha and piano. A gona aggressive bafana ba style a gona aggressive de la sauce ntho tse mnate a gona bo aggressive ka
Yeah.
mogare. You can see gore mabitso a te tlhalosa gore
Yes.
in Sundowns it's a home.
Yes.
Even you cry, but you
Yeah.
get the support on that.
Yeah.
So, I know the fiance and the daughter had all been a good hand in Mamelodi Sundowns. Because even when you check, even the loss of Gifty Leremi,
Yes.
Mavumvu,
Yeah.
Sundowns take care about the family.
I didn't know that.
Take
Why
care.
did you keep quiet about it?
I'm telling you,
Yeah.
even the wife, he says, I don't want to speak about the club.
Yeah.
I'll speak about my team.
Yes.
But he said the former team, Mavumvu,
Yeah.
azange ba bilela selo. But because of course Sundowns bana until ba gola
And what
education-
the big goes and does it? I say yeah.
Wabo.
Yeah.
No,
So
I'd like to
thank you,
thank-
Sundowns.
yeah.
You support a great team.
No, thanks.
Yes.
Thanks for your time.
No,
we'll
thank you
meet.
so much.
We'll meet on the. I don't know, but you
On
know.
the first.
Yeah, you know. Thank you
We
very
talk
much.
football essay.
Yeah, football essay.
Thank you.
Aluka Kuntunua.
Thank you.